Hey guys, today I want to talk about what income protection is and the benefits of that to you. So income protection is basically there to claim upon if you're unable to work due to injury or illness and you meet the definitions of not being able to work through those things, and it's there to substitute part of your income. So generally up to 75%, and some of your super as well in some instances. So if you're not able to work due to injury or illness and you're out of work for a certain period of time, then you may find that you're able to claim upon income protection or salary continuance and continue on with life financially, where you're able to still make your family's commitments, pay your bills, pay your loans, etc., and not have to look at maybe selling assets, for example, and changing your lifestyle substantially for the worse. So really important one to have in place and to consider as to how it's going to benefit your family and whether or not you need it. But it's a very claimed upon insurance, and if you have it structured right, you can keep the premiums down and not affect your cash flow too much. So and it's also tax deductible. So there's a whole range of different benefits there, but it's there as a risk strategy if you were to call upon it. So guys, hope this has been useful. Take care, look forward to speaking to you soon. If you need any more information, just yell out. Ciao, bye.